Salam, I'm Mesfin. Welcome to reading Tigrinya lessons. Lesson 6. In the previous lessons, we have learned the letters B, C, Sh, Z, K, Kh, Le, A. Those are the two legs letters. G, Ne, Nye, Te, Che, Ke, Khe, Ye, Ha, Pe, and those are one-leg letters. In this lesson 6, we learn two more letters, Re and Fe, and we call this group Re group. The two letters consist of an inclined line and a horizontal line. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Rie, R, Ro. Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, F, Fo. In the lesson 5, we have learned how we spell words in Tigrinya. ኣዘራዝራ ፊደላት, spelling words or spelling letters. Re ግዕዝ, ሩ ካዕብ፣ ሪ ሳልስ፣ ራ ራብዕ፣ ርየ ሓምስ፣ ር ሳድስ፣ ሮ ሳብዕ። ፌ ግዕዝ፣ ፉ ካዕብ፣ ፊ ሳልስ፣ ፋ ራብዕ፣ ፊየ ሓምስ፣ ፍ ሳድስ፣ ፎ ሳብዕ. Those are Ge'ez ordinal numbers. The Tigrinya ordinal number we will learn later. Please notice the difference between Fu and Fa. Fu is written with an inclined line, Fa with a vertical line. Let us see the similarity to English words. Re like red, Ru like room, Ri like river, Ra like rabbit, Rie like reindeer, R and Ro like rose. Fe like fence, Fu like fool, Fi like fish, Fa like father, Fie like face, F like flower, Fo like fork. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Rie, R, Ro. Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, F, Fo. Here are words with these letters. Kebero, Kebero. Naqfa, Naqfa. Kirare, Kirar. By those two letters, Re and Fe, it is difficult to describe how we put or add the signs. In the following table, I have colored those added signs with red symbols. Re and Fe. To these letters, we do not add any sign. Ru and Fu, we add a line in the middle of the horizontal line. Ri and Fi, we bend the horizontal line up. Ra and Fa are very different to each other. Rie and Fie, we put a circle at the end of the horizontal line. R and F are different to each other. Ro and Fo, we put a circle at the end of the bended inclined line. Ro, Fo. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Rie, R, Ro. Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, F, Fo. Nay ቃላት ንባብ, reading words. ናይ ቃላት ንባብ. A Eritrea, Eritrea, Sre, Sre, Feres, Feres, Naqfa, Naqfa, Af, Af, Kara, Kara, Tarikh, Tarikh, Farketa, Farketa, Birki, Birki, Kirar, Kirar, Kebero, Kebero, Kof, Belu, Kof, Belu, Sebey, Sebay, Sebeyti, Sebeyti, Rısas, Rısas, Ferro, Ferro, Şerfi, Şerfi, Fırnaş, Fırnaş, Siyef, Siyef, Selef, Selef, Afrika, Afrika, Tigrinya, Tigrinya, Ane, Rehibe, Ane, Rehibe, Ane, Geire, Ane, Geire, Fesasi, Fesasi, Fit, Fit, Fruta, Fruta, Fretat, Fretat. Eritrea, Sre, Feres, Naqfa, Af, Kara, Tarikh. Farketa, Birki, Kirar, Kebero, Kof, Belu, Sebay, Sebeyti, Rısas, Ferro, Şerfi, Fırnaş, Siyef, Selef, Afrika, Tigrinya, Ane, Rehibe, Ane, Geire, Fesasi, Fit, Fruta, Fretat. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, Re, Ro, Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, Fe, Fo. Here we can read questions and answer. Abzi እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣላ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣላ? Those are questions. ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ ሰብኣይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣላ? ኣብዚ ሰበይቲ ኣላ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ ፈረስ ኣሎ? Those are questions and those are the answers. We see when we have a masculine noun, we say abzi እንታይ ኣሎ. If we have a feminine noun, we say abzi እንታይ ኣላ. ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ ሰብኣይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣላ? ኣብዚ ሰበይቲ ኣላ? ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? ኣብዚ ፈረስ ኣሎ? Here we have an attachment. مستعمر ن conjunction and. The letter N we can use as a conjunction in Tigrinya. For example, ክራርን ከበሮን ክራንን ከበሮን ክራር and ከበሮ. In Tigrinya, the conjunction end is a suffix that has to be attached to end of the two words or sentences between which you want to establish a connection. Anen nisukhan, me and you. We have the letter N two times. Anen nisukhan, me and you. Anen nisukhan, me and you, feminine. Anen nisukhan, nisukhan, nisan. Sebayin, sebeytin, a man and a woman. Sebayin, sebeytin, nevrin and besan, a tiger and a lion. Farketan biatin, farketan biatin, a fork and a plate. Anen nisukhan, anen nisukhan, nisukhan, nisan, sebayin, sebeytin, nevrin, anbesan, farketan, biatin. Here we have a map of Eritrea. Tigrinya is one of the languages spoken in Eritrea. Here have a picture of the capital city of Eritrea, Asmara. Here is the beach of Gurgusum. Here is one of the ports of Eritrea, Massawa. If you like to have more information about Eritrea, search in internet, Eritrean Railway, Asmara-Massawa Road, Eritrea seats, or Eritrea history. Try to read these letters to test yourself. Until this point, we have learned the letters B, C, Sh, Z, K, H, L, A, G, N, N, T, Ch, K, Q, Y, H, P, R, and F. And those are the handwritten letters. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Rie, Ri, Ro. Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, Fe, Fo. Ge, Ne, Nye, Te, Che, Ke, Khe, Ye, Ha, Pe. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Rie, Ri, Ro. Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, Fe, Fo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to be updated with the lessons.